ApeCoin to the moon. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, and check out that Webull link if you want to get 5 free stocks valued up to $9,600. Get that free money. Offer is good for the entire month of April. And now let's talk about ApeCoin. Today and yesterday, ApeCoin has been doing excellent. It is up over 20%, and we hit a 30-day all-time high at $17.17. So ApeCoin has been doing very well over the last couple days, and I'll tell you more about it later in the video. But as you guys know, I invested $35,000 into ApeCoin, and ever since I bought it, I was pretty much lending it on the KuCoin exchange. KuCoin pretty much allows you to lend out your ApeCoin to earn more free tokens, and that is exactly what I've been doing. If you don't have a KuCoin account, I do not know what you are waiting for. Link will be in the description box below. It is literally one of the best exchanges out there. And as I make this video, my $35,000 position in Ape is currently worth $42,600. So I'm up almost $8,000 on my investment. But guys, I haven't sold a single ApeCoin. I am still holding on to my entire position. But please do not take this as financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Do what is right for your portfolio. Also, I like to take extra risk even if I don't have to. A lot of people, if they're up $8,000 on a position, they would have sold, they would have taken that $8,000 and put it in their pocket. But I am a risk taker. I gamble in crypto. I pretty much take a ton of risk in order to make those massive profits. A lot of times this high risk strategy pays off and I make a ton of money in the process. But there has been multiple times where I pretty much lose my entire investment. It is definitely high risk what I'm doing, so please consider taking profits and do what is right for your position and your portfolio. And now let's talk about the big news that pretty much caused ApeCoin to spike over the last 2 days. ApeCoin surges 38% on rumors that it will soon be incorporated into a major Metaverse project. Yuga Labs' anticipated OtherSide Metaverse project may soon start digital land sales using ApeCoin. Being part of the project would give ApeCoin a huge lift because Yuga Labs has dedicated fans for many of its NFT projects, including the biggest hit Bored Ape Yacht Club collection. As I mentioned in my previous ApeCoin videos, the Metaverse trailer looked absolutely amazing. It had great graphics and a ton of NFT collections in it. So I'm super excited for this Metaverse. I also talked about how the land sales will probably drive the price of ApeCoin even higher. And that is why I was telling everyone April is going to be a big month for ApeCoin. In the beginning, it was very slow, but now the volume is picking up. The price is getting higher and higher. And hopefully April turns out to be a big month for ApeCoin, just like I expected. So that is why I haven't sold a single ApeCoin, simply because I believe it will go even higher. Also, according to Renegade Master on Twitter, the sale will be a Dutch auction of some sort starting at 600 ape. And then at the bottom he says, "Get ape ready, looks like you're going to need it. Bored Ape Yacht Club, the OtherSide." Also, according to some leaked information, the OtherSide Metaverse will be selling 200,000 plots of land. The first batch will only include 100,000 plots of land, which 30% will go to the NFT holders. The other 70,000 will be auctioned off, and hopefully using ApeCoin. I believe this will drive the demand up for Ape and cause the price to go even higher. But as of right now, there's no official date of when this Metaverse will be released or when the land auction will take place. But a lot of people are speculating that it will happen in the month of April. There's only a week and a half left, so hopefully this causes the price of ApeCoin to go even higher. As I make this video, ApeCoin is currently trading at $16.23. It is up over 23% on the day. And ApeCoin has officially claimed the 33rd spot on CoinMarketCap. And it has surpassed Decentraland and Sandbox. This is very bullish in my opinion. And if everything goes to plan, I believe ApeCoin can go into the top 20 and possibly even the top 10 on CoinMarketCap. And I can see the price of Ape going to 20 to 30, 40, $50 and even higher. Obviously, a lot of things have to happen for this to be achieved, and a lot of things have to go right. But in my opinion, it is definitely possible. But with all that being said, I will consider taking some profits as we get close to $20. All right, everybody, that concludes this video. Let me know in the comment section below, what are you doing right now? Are you waiting to purchase some land on the other side? Are you taking profits? Are you selling, buying? Let me know in the comment section below. And remember, guys, not financial advice. Do your own research. ApeCoin to the moon. Like, subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.